So this is sort of an unboxing of the components in the waterproof connector design challenge. I'll just run through pieces of the kit and pieces of the project. So this is the Hammond Manufacturing waterproof case with a nice gasket to go around the edge, nice clear top, and that's important for my project, which is going to use a camera looking through this clear lid. And we've got a lot of nice connectors from Amphenol. Looks like a big bulkhead end connector, TNC, SMA. They even have an SMA bulkhead connector that connects up to a UFL, which is very handy for connecting Wi-Fi modules or Bluetooth or GPS or LoRa. In fact, the Latte Panda uses one of those UFL connectors to a small Wi-Fi antenna, so this could be used to connect a bulkhead to a better antenna. So other connectors on here, there's a big RJ Ethernet connector, then a big circular connector, a really nice looking clip-on connector, and a waterproof USB connector from Amphenol. So in the back we have just a USB power supply that's going to tell us how much power this Latte Panda takes. There's a USB hub if we need it. There's an LCD and HDMI interface so that we can make a mobile system out of this Latte Panda. This is the USB camera that's going to go in the box. There's a USB memory stick to capture the video. There's a wireless keyboard and trackpad from Rai. It's a i8. I've got keyboard and mouse for development purposes as well. So there's some things that are going to have to be done to the box. The SMA connector actually comes through right where one of these ribs is, and we have to make that really flush and smooth because there's a gasket there that has to make a good seal. So I'm not quite sure yet how good I'm going to get with that, but I'm going to definitely want that one to be waterproof because this end of the box is going underwater. I'm going to try and keep this end dry while I'm running the camera, but I will do some tests to see if we can immerse the whole box at some point. So those are the main components, and we'll just see how we have to put some frame in here to hold the USB camera, and there's going to be all kinds of mounting arrangements for the Latte Panda with its display, and it's going to be connected to this box by a pole, say something like 1 meter or something like that, just so that we can use it as a pole camera. I mean, it's a little bit cumbersome in size for that, but it's really to test these waterproof connectors and get a feel for how to package them in a way that's going to maintain their integrity. So it's an interesting project. I mean, these are all kinds of different connectors. It's nice that they're bulkhead connectors that I can connect rigidly to the case. The case was conveniently punched or drilled by Hammond, so all of these connector holes are already made by Hammond, and that saves a lot of trouble. They're very precise. So a nice kit, and hopefully I'll get a little bit more time to work on this. I really had a hard time getting some time to work on it.